10 Steps to a Simpler Life. Escape modern society and live naturally. Modern life is a whirlwind of distractions, stress, and endless obligations. The pressure to keep up with social norms, technological advancements, and career demands can feel overwhelming. If you have ever dreamed of escaping this chaos and embracing a simpler, more fulfilling life, you are not alone. Many people are turning towards minimalism, self-sufficiency, and intentional living to reclaim their time, health, and happiness. But how do you do it? How do you break free from the complexities of modern society without completely isolating yourself? The answer lies in small, meaningful changes. Here are 10 practical steps to simplify your life, reduce stress, and live more naturally. 1. Find your sweet spot. The first step to simplifying your life is to determine what truly fulfills you. Society constantly pushes us to chase wealth, success, and status, but these things do not necessarily bring happiness. Instead, focus on identifying your sweet spot, the balance between what you love, what you are good at, and what sustains you financially. Ask yourself, what activities bring me joy and fulfillment? What skills do I naturally excel at? How can I align my life with these strengths? Once you find your sweet spot, eliminate distractions that pull you away from it. Stop saying yes to obligations that do not align with your goals, and prioritize what genuinely matters. 2. Declutter and simplify. The more you own, the more your possessions own you. Clutter is not just physical. It can also be mental and emotional. A cluttered home leads to a cluttered mind. Start by eliminating unnecessary belongings. Sell, donate, or discard items that do not serve a purpose or bring you joy. Reduce digital clutter. Unsubscribe from emails, remove unused apps, and limit screen time. Cut down commitments that drain your energy without adding value. A minimalist lifestyle does not mean deprivation. It means making room for what truly matters. 3. Go natural. Modern society bombards us with artificial products, from processed foods to chemical-laden personal care items. Returning to natural living can dramatically improve your health and well-being. Use natural skincare and hygiene products free from harmful chemicals. Switch to sustainable clothing made from organic or recycled materials. Spend more time outdoors, breathing fresh air and soaking in natural sunlight. Nature heals. The more you embrace it, the more connected and grounded you will feel. 4. Eat local and fresh. Supermarkets are filled with processed, unhealthy food designed for convenience rather than nutrition. A simpler life means eating fresh, whole foods that nourish your body. Buy from local farmers markets or community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. Avoid packaged foods loaded with artificial ingredients and preservatives. Cook at home using simple, whole ingredients. When you eat real food, you feel better, have more energy, and improve your overall health. Plus, supporting local farmers helps build a more sustainable food system. 5. Grow your own food. Even if you do not have a large yard, you can still grow some of your food. Container gardening, vertical gardens, and hydroponics make it possible to grow vegetables and herbs in small spaces. Start with easy-to-grow plants like tomatoes, lettuce, and basil. Compost kitchen scraps to create nutrient-rich soil. Learn basic gardening skills. It is easier than you think. Growing your own food connects you with nature and provides a sense of self-sufficiency. It also ensures that what you eat is free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. 6. Live seasonally. Modern life makes it easy to ignore the natural rhythms of the seasons. Supermarkets stock the same produce year-round, homes are artificially heated or cooled, and we spend most of our time indoors. But living in sync with the seasons brings many benefits. Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables for better nutrition and variety. Adjust your daily routine. Wake up with the sun in summer, slow down in winter. Change your wardrobe and activities based on the time of year. Living seasonally creates a deeper connection with nature and a greater appreciation for the changing world around you. 7. Unplug and reconnect. Technology is a double-edged sword. While it provides convenience, it also isolates us from real-life experiences. Constant notifications, social media, and 24/7 connectivity can leave you feeling drained and disconnected from reality. Set boundaries for screen time. Designate tech-free hours or days. Spend more time in nature, engaging in activities that do not require a screen. Replace scrolling with real-world interactions. Read books, talk to loved ones, or practice a hobby. True connection happens offline. The more you disconnect from the digital world, the more present and engaged you will feel. 8. Use your skills for self-sufficiency. Most people rely on corporations for their income, food, and entertainment. But what if you could reduce that dependence by using your skills in a way that benefits you directly? Learn skills that increase your independence. Cooking, sewing, woodworking, or repairing things. Consider freelancing, remote work, or starting a side business that aligns with your interests. Barter and trade skills within your community instead of relying on money for everything. The more self-sufficient you become, the more control you have over your life. 9. Design your future. A simpler life does not mean a directionless life. It is essential to set clear goals for how you want your future to unfold. Define what success means to you, not society's definition, but your own. Break long-term goals into small, actionable steps. Be intentional with your choices, ensuring they align with your vision. Every action you take should move you closer to the life you truly want. 10. Follow your passion. At the end of the day, the simplest life is the one that brings you the most joy. Do not let societal expectations dictate your happiness. Instead, follow your passion, even if it does not align with what others think you should be doing. Identify what excites you and brings you fulfillment. Pursue meaningful work, hobbies, and relationships. Let go of fear. Embrace uncertainty and take risks for what you love. A life lived with passion and purpose is the most rewarding life of all. Final thoughts. Living a simpler life is not about rejecting modern society entirely. It is about reclaiming control over your time, energy, and choices. By implementing these 10 steps, you can reduce stress, improve your well-being, and find deeper fulfillment in everyday moments. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 changes and gradually incorporate them into your life. Over time, you will create a lifestyle that aligns with your values and brings you true happiness. The simpler life is waiting for you. The only question is, are you ready to embrace it? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.